Hi there, this is Dr. Ladmai once again, and this is a detailed video in regard to our alert system and educational system, D&TC Complete, and how to use it efficiently. To join the Discord server, our Discord server, you will need an account and free Discord account, and then the server link, which you'll find in this video. Then we click on the plus sign, join the server, we input our link, and then click join server one more time. First, all channels are hidden. Then we will need to go to complete the rules, read the rules, click accept, submit. Then we go to user agreement and disclosure. We read it and we agree on it. Once we agree on it, we can see now that all channels became available to us. The channels is divided to 6 sections. Start here, where you can see the user agreements, rules, if you want to request an upgrade after your free trial. Then if you have a question, or if you want to report a spam. The second section is the alert section, where you can find there are stock announcements, where you will find an 2 to 5, I will say 2 to 5 announcements per day sent by analysts for stocks that they feel may have a continuation in an uptrend or a downtrend with a direction. The second channel, which is hidden right now, it's the options channel, and it's also an analyst channel where they send an information about possible options, calls or puts with potential profits that are usually more than stocks. The third channel is the swing channel. It's a channel that's built on an AI and several algorithms and send alerts about stocks that have potentials to move in an uptrend for a few hours up to a few months. And some of them will be in a downtrend for puts and shorting, also for a few hours to a few months. So what we should look in those stocks before we take a position. First, we will look for the trend, current trend. Is it an uptrend, reversal trend, or downtrend? We will look for the market trend. We will look for the average volume, current average volume, comparing to the average value, current volume comparing to the average value. The stock, 52 weeks high and low pre-market, and then the current location on the chart, the current price on the chart, and if there are any news, positive or negative, about that specific stock. On the fourth channel, the penny swing channel, is also built on an AI and algorithms, and it's similar to the swing channel, except it's designed for penny stocks only. Those stocks are $10 or less. The fifth channel is the day trade signals channel, which is a channel that is designated for day trade stocks, those stocks that has potentials to move massively during the day, up 10% or more, up to 500 and 600%. For an example, yesterday we had RPH that moved more than 1,000%. In the alerts in this channel are divided into 3 categories. The first category are the stocks that moves massively during the day and will continue to move with an up and downs and create multiple entries for us. The second category is the stocks that will move massively in a few minutes and then or less, and it needs a quick reaction to enter and exit. And then the false breakout, the third category, the false breakout stocks that will move just a little bit and then fade. Now, we found that the category 2 and 3, the stocks in category 2 and 3, usually will move during the week. Therefore, you need to keep them in your watch list. The fifth channel is a crypto signal channel where we post some information about some cryptocurrencies and the crypto market in general. And the seventh channel is a trial channel that we're using for a specific type of stocks. The next section is the winning section, where members may post their profits or losses to discuss them. And then the analysts winnings today, where analysts post daily winnings, some of the daily winnings of the stocks that we made today in the list. The next section is the main chat, and contains several chat sections where you can discuss information about stocks, options, or anything else, and crypto, and an example. Then we have the news section, where we have a breaking news, also built on an AI, and it's search for news and bring them to you, stocks related news. Also, you can post your own news in regard to stocks if you would like to. And then we have a stock bot help, where it gives you some useful information based on several commands. The next section is the Learning Academy, where we have the D&TC Complete, the full course, educational course, Zero to Independence, will move traders and investors from any level they are in right now to an advanced level in investment and trading in stocks in general and US stocks market in specific. Also, we have free learning resources where we occasionally post some information about stocks and educational materials about stocks and options. Finally, thank you for being here today. I'm excited and happy that you watched this video. All the new members will get 1 week free trial plus 57%, up to 57% discounts to our first 1,000 members. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask through our website, also available in this video, or by the comment section in this video. Thank you. Have a good day and hope to see you in the new videos.